Solitaire cache. Crashing immediately after a video ad usually means the app is failing when it returns from the advertisement back to the game session, so the first fixes should target the app session, network connection, and temporary app data. By the end, you'll know what to check on Android and iPhone without immediately deleting Solitaire cache or risking your account data. Start by completely closing Solitaire cache after the crash. On Android, open the recent app screen and swipe Solitaire cache away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe Solitaire cache away. Then launch the app again and test another ad. If the crash happens every time an ad finishes, test your internet connection next. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi, and try the same action again. If Solitaire cache stops crashing on the other connection, the original connection may be interfering with the ad loading or the handoff back to the game. Next, disable a VPN temporarily if you use one. Also check whether an ad blocker, private DNS, or network filtering feature is active. These services can affect advertising connections, so temporarily turning them off can help identify whether they are involved. On Android, clear the Solitaire cache. Open Settings. Select Apps. Choose Solitaire cache. Open Storage or Storage and Cache, and tap Clear Cache. Do not choose Clear Data unless you understand that it can remove locally stored app information and require you to sign in again. On iPhone, individual app cache clearing is handled differently. Close Solitaire cache completely, restart the iPhone, and then check the App Store for an available Solitaire cache update. You should also update Solitaire cache on Android through Google Play or on iPhone through the App Store. An outdated app version can have compatibility problems with newer advertising components or operating system updates. If the crash happens only with one particular ad, try another available ad or reward instead of repeatedly opening the same one. If every advertisement causes Solitaire cache to close, the problem is more likely to involve the app, device environment, or advertising service. Before reinstalling Solitaire cache, make sure your account is properly connected, or that you know your sign-in method. Reinstalling should be a later troubleshooting step, not the first one. The fastest sequence is simple. Force close Solitaire cache, switch networks, disable VPN or filtering tools, clear the Android cache if applicable, update the app, and restart your phone. If Solitaire cache still crashes after every ad, use the game's support option to report that the crash occurs specifically when the advertisement finishes. Include your device model, operating system version, and the Solitaire cache app version. If this fixed the crash, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire cache fixes.